In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change customer label in QuickBooks. This is a quick update that can make your books feel more natural to your business, whether you work with customers, clients, members, donors, or something else. Changing the label updates the wording you see throughout QuickBooks, so your team and your documents all use the same, familiar language. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks window. Click the Settings icon, the small gear that opens your company preferences. From this menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control how your company file behaves and how information appears. Inside Account and Settings, open the Advanced tab. The Advanced area groups together company-wide preferences that affect how your books are presented and what terminology shows up in the interface. Here, look for the section labeled Customer Label. This is the control that determines the term QuickBooks uses in place of customers. Click Edit for the Customer Label section. You'll typically see a pencil icon on the right. Once you're in edit mode, you'll see the different label options available. Pick the term that best matches the people or organizations you serve. Choose the one that feels most natural for your industry and the way your team talks. This choice helps keep your invoices, lists, and certain reports consistent and easier to understand at a glance. After selecting the label you want, hit Save. That's it. QuickBooks applies the change across your company file, so the updated term appears in the relevant menus, on customer lists, and on sales-related screens. If something doesn't look updated immediately, a quick page refresh usually brings the new wording into view. A couple of helpful notes as you make this change. You can come back to this setting anytime and switch the label again if your needs evolve. If you don't see the customer label option in the Advanced tab, it may be due to your user permissions or the version of QuickBooks you're using. An admin on the account typically controls company-wide terminology, so make sure you have the right access. Also, remember that this update changes labels in the product's interface. It's meant to make your day-to-day navigation clearer and more aligned with your business. To recap the flow you'll use moving forward, go to the Settings gear, open Account and Settings, select the Advanced tab, find Customer Label, click Edit, choose the label that fits, and hit Save. With that, your QuickBooks terminology will match the way you work.